This is Vicki Walker for ExpertVillage. We're working on our tab top shower curtain, and I finished the center seam. Now I'm going to turn under the side seams and sew the edges down. I have a nice wide selvage edge on this side, so I'll be turning it under to make absolutely sure that none of the white edge will show when the shower curtain is hanging. I will turn that edge completely under and sew a nice wide edge. It will make the shower curtain hang more smoothly. And sewing just next to the white edge of the selvage. I'll sew all the way down each side. And then we'll press these seams down so that they lay nice and flat. And once again, we'll have a nice flat edge when the shower curtain is hanging. And I'll continue on into the bottom of this seam and then do the same thing on the other side of the shower curtain. And that's how we do the side seams on our shower curtain.